Alright, so this is going to be our next problem. It's going to be a number 1. This is using law of sines or law of cosines. This is a real classic one. See, we got a triangle here. We got no angles. We got a side of C is equal to 9, side of B is 10, side of A is 18. So it's law of cosines. So remember the law of cosines is A squared equals B squared plus C squared, right? Pythagorean theorem starts it off. These lowercase letters denote the sides. And then we're going to minus 2, whatever's in here, B, C, and then the angle that we're solving for here will go last. Cosine of A. So I can move that over. Okay. So that's kind of our equation. And if we switched and put B squared in here, B squared equals A squared plus C squared minus 2 times AC cosine of B. It just switches around a little bit. If you know this equation, you know all the other ones. So here we're going to solve for, let's do our biggest side first. Okay, with these, that's probably a good idea. So we're just going to plug in. So A squared is 18 squared equals B squared, which is 10. Let's make it 100. It's pretty easy. C squared is 9. Let's make it 81. And then that's minus 2 times B is 10 times C is 9 cosine of A. That's kind of what we got. So now we have most everything but cosine of A. So this becomes out to be, I think, 324. And then this is going to be equal to 181 minus 180 cosine of A. And now we don't want to start dividing things out or anything, because this is a negative, this is a subtraction. So what we have to do is subtract this 180. So it's going to be 324 minus 181 equals negative 180 times cosine of A. Okay, then because really this negative 180 is multiplying by that. So then we can divide when we're done. So let's just do that really quick. So negative 180, and then that will give us the cosine of A. So let's see what we get for that. A little bit of lag there. Let's get a catch up here. Let's see, I'll put my calculator underneath and get ready. Hopefully it's going to catch up. Okay, there we go. So then we're just going to do our math. 324 minus 181 gives us 143. We're going to divide it by 180. Make sure it's a negative. And we get negative 0.794444 forever. Okay. Then we just need to do the inverse cosine. So we're going to do that. So we'll just hit shift, cosine, and we get 142.6, 143 degrees for that one angle. So we plug that in. It's our big angle. It makes sense that would be it. And then we can just use our law of sines to solve one more. Let's just do, over here we'll do it. So the sine of 143 over 18, we'll just do B. The sine of B over 10. So then we just take 10 times the sine of 143 divided by 18. And then we do the inverse sine. We get the answer. So let's do that. Take my calculator. Comes up. There it goes. So let's clear it. And we get 10. I'll just do the other one first, actually. So we'll do 143 sine times 10 divided by 18. And then we're just going to do the inverse sine. So second sine. So 19.5 will go 20. Sounds about right. 20 degrees there. And then if we just take 143 plus 20, we get 163. And then if we take 180 minus 163, we get about 17 degrees for that one. It all makes kind of sense. So that's how you do that one when you just have sides. That's a good example there. I'm not going to do any more of those. If you have any other questions on the other ones in class, we can go over them if you want. And see you in class. Hope this helps.